if you're feeling a little stressed out, maybe you're concerned about your immune system and you feel like just the swirl of all the stuff going on around our world is causing some negativity and anxiety, today I'm going to share with you one amazing tip that you can do at home to instantly improve your vitality, boost your immune system, lower your stress, and create overall calm and peace in your world. Stay tuned for this amazing DIY you can do anywhere, anytime. Let's go. Hey friends, I'm Dr. Melissa Gallagher. For all of you new joining, welcome to my channel and I hope you will subscribe. Many of you are very concerned about our world right now, and I totally understand that we are in a perilous time of unknowns, uncertainty, and I wanted to give you a little upper when it comes to boosting your body, boosting your defenses, enhancing your energy, and just improving the flow of calm within your body. And I'm going to share with you this magic bullet. It is called Thymus Thumping or Thymus Tapping. So we actually have a gland called the thymus gland. When we're born, our thymus gland is actually bigger than our heart, but as we age, that reduces in size. Well, the thymus gland controls a lot of our happiness feelings, and it also controls a lot of our immunity. It's part of our immune system, it's part of our lymphatic system. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a way to activate your thymus. And usually it takes about 20-30 seconds. That's all. You can do it anywhere, anytime. And you will notice it's working when you feel a little kind of buzzing or energy from that area. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to kind of make a fist. Basically, you want to locate just right mid-breast. So for men and women, it's going to be just at the area where the breast crease begins. And you want to make a little fist like this. And you want to tap. I mean, it's kind of forceful. It's like a Tarzan tap. And you just tap, tap, tap like this. And I actually like for my patients, I recommend that they repeat a mantra. And the mantra is all is well in my world. If you guys are familiar with my work and my channel, I love the teachings of Louise Hay. And she's an author, she was a therapist, and she found that when we mentally speak positive words, as well as take action within our body, it actually helps us heal. So all is well in our world, or all is well in my world, is the mantra you want to repeat while you're tapping. So let's do that together. All is well in my world. All is well in my world. And you'll just repeat this. And honestly, I do this every day and I instantly feel like a little jiggle. You just want to give yourself a good tap, and it might make your voice jiggle a little bit. That's perfectly fine. So that's my tip for you today. I hope you will do this. Try it right now. Comment down below and let me know if you're feeling that jiggle, tingling, buzz. But basically what it does is it creates a sense of calm within your body. It can reduce your stress levels. And most importantly, it fortifies and bolsters your immunity and gets you feeling better and better equipped to manage all the stress we're dealing with. So good luck, be safe, friends, and catch me on my 9 a.m. show where I report all sorts of health news regarding the virus. Thanks, everybody. I'll see you on our next video.